the cosine curve as the sine curve, but if you turned your head 90 degrees, okay? So just remind you of the sine, okay? So the sine is the length of the red part here, okay? So we ended up with the curve from earlier that goes up and then comes down. So we have that familiar curve, but I've just said cosine is like that if you turn your head 90 degrees. So if you turn your head 90 degrees, we get this distance here. So the cosine curve starts at 1. It's generated the same way. So we have that triangle and we rotate point P. So this time we start at 90 and go down to 0. So now, sorry, start at 0 and go up to 90, but we start at 1 and come down to 0. So now we have no, then it goes negative until we get to 180 degrees. Then it starts coming back up and all the way around, okay? So it forms the same general shape. Let's just undo that. Okay? And let's draw the two next to each other, okay? So sine will be the red line, cosine is the blue line, or the sine curve with your head turned 90 degrees, okay? So the red line's going up, okay? So this is where it's easier to see because they should be running in parallel until they cross and come back. So we now have the blue cosine curve and the red sine curve. They are the same shape. It's just that the blue curve is the sine curve shifted 90 degrees. Okay, so I've just mentioned that shift. I'll put that in the text.